Maintaining the household in the 1800s was a laborious endeavour. The Victorians didn't have modern cleaning products and electrical appliances, so they needed to be resourceful. They developed some great cleaning methods using natural products that still work today. Join us as we explore 12 Victorian cleaning methods you can try with ingredients you probably already have in your home. Method 1. Bicarbonate of soda as an abrasive. Bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, is ideal for scrubbing hard surfaces such as sinks, countertops and stovetops. The Victorians typically mixed it with water to form a paste and applied it directly to the surface using sponges, cloths or brushes. Method 2. Bicarbonate of soda for metals. Even though bicarbonate of soda is slightly abrasive, you can use it to clean metal, silverware, brass and cutlery without scratching it. A bicarbonate of soda and water paste can be used to polish all kinds of things without damaging them. Method 3. White vinegar for cleaning windows. Cleaning windows with white vinegar was a common practice during the Victorian era. The acidic properties of the vinegar cut through dirt and grime, leaving windows clean and streak-free. Back in the mid-1800s, people would apply a 50-50 solution of vinegar and water to rolled up newspaper and use this to buff the glass until it shone. Method 4. Laundry bluing for brightening whites. Victorians commonly used blue rinse for laundry purposes, particularly for whitening and brightening white fabrics and linens. Also known as laundry bluing, blue rinse is a liquid laundry additive that contains a blue dye. The subtle blue tint counteracts the yellowing of clothes and makes them appear whiter and brighter. Method 5. Beeswax as a wood polish. Victorians used beeswax as a natural cleaning and polishing agent for wooden floors and furniture. It provides a protective layer that guards against moisture and gives a beautiful sheen. Victorians would apply beeswax to the surface, let it sit for a few minutes, and then buff the wood with a cloth. Method 6. Lemon juice for stain and odour removal. The acidity of lemon juice means it can dissolve certain stains on white clothes and linens. Victorians would typically squirt lemon juice directly onto the stained area and let it sit for several minutes before laundering. It was also sometimes added to the final rinse water to help freshen and remove odours from fabrics. Method 7. Ammonia. Victorians used ammonia as a versatile and effective cleaning agent due to its ability to cut through grease, remove stains and disinfect surfaces. It was used in the bathroom, kitchen, carpet and throughout the house. Ammonia remains a powerful cleaner, but it's essential to follow safety precautions when using it. It's pretty strong stuff and can irritate your skin and eyes. Method 8. Olive oil for conditioning leather. Most Victorians in Britain only had access to animal fats or lard. However, in wealthier Victorian households, olive oil was available and could have been used to condition and preserve leather items like bags, belts and shoes. Method 9. Beating rugs and carpets. Vacuum cleaners, as we know them today, were not available during the Victorian era. During the Victorian period, carpet cleaning methods instead involved beating rugs outdoors. Although much more labour-intensive than plugging in the vacuum cleaner, beating rugs is still an effective method for removing dust, dirt and debris. Method 10. Bon Ami Cleanser. Bon Ami Cleanser is a cleaning product that's been around since 1886. It's a non-abrasive formula that was a departure from some harsher cleaning products of the time, and it aimed to provide a safer option for cleaning. Bon Ami Cleanser is great for cleaning kitchen surfaces and sinks without scratching them. Method 11. Soap and water for scrubbing floors. Elbow grease was used to scrub surfaces like floors and walls in the Victorian period, often with a mixture of soap and water. Back then, soaps were mainly made from animal fats, but today you can use regular washing up liquid to create soapy water for mopping. Method 12. Salt and vinegar for cleaning copper. Victorians used a paste made from salt and vinegar to clean and polish copper items. This combination effectively removed tarnish, oxidation and other stains from copper surfaces. You can still use salt and vinegar to care for copper fixtures, fixings and accessories today. Create your paste, rub it on the surface, allow it to sit, then rise and buff. I hope you learnt some new cleaning tricks from this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.